Hi, today we are going to see how to use Google Calendar app. First of all, open Google Calendar app. Here you will see different days and its calendar. If you want to add new or add something, then you have to click on plus button. Then calendar will ask you if it is a goal or reminder or task. I am choosing task. Then you have to give a title there. I am giving a demo title and adding details, demo like party. It is you can choose the time from here, from which time to which time. You can choose the duration from here, every day or every week or every month, or custom or doesn't repeat. Then if you click on save, the demo will save. In the left side you can see a schedule, day, 3 days, week or monthly calendar. You can also refresh next to it. Also, event task reminder is also in there. Here you can see the calendar. You can also change it from swiping right. In here you can jump to today's date. So that's how to use Google Calendar app. If you like this video, give the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.